And those fires are a reminder that fire season really goes year-round here.
Absolutely. It's possible to see at least some kind of wildland fire in any of the 12 months. But we typically only see these really large forest fires at certain times. Meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen is here to break down the Colorado fire season when the big ones happen, Cory.
Yeah, and those are coming down the pike. You know, it's more like Colorado has two separate fire seasons that combine to form a year-long season. One way to break that down is the cool season and the warm season. So cool season fires happen between November and May, so we're in that right now, and you'll typically see those small and light fire fuels burn, grasses, brush fires, shrubs, bushes, things like that. So that's what we've been seeing. And those fires typically last about 1 or 2 days, but typically less than a week. And those fire season is driven by fire weather, so the day-to-day fire weather. So that explains the type of fires that we have been seeing since about November. And now soon we will be getting into the warm season and we'll see completely different kinds of fires. That season runs between June and October. That's the large and heavy fire fuels. So that's that large forest fire activity. Those fires can last weeks and even months, and the indicator there is the climate, so more longer term conditions, kind of like drought conditions. Another way to look at that fire season broken down into parts is by looking at those indicators. So here's all the fire weather warnings issued in the months of Colorado since 2006. You can see that you can get fire weather any month of the year, but there's clearly two peaks here in the spring and in the fall. April has the most fire weather warnings, and that's where we are currently at right now. And interestingly, in the summer, we don't get a lot of fire weather warnings because the humidity levels are up and the winds are typically lighter. But that is where that climate stuff comes into effect here, stuff like the drought, and that's where we get the forest fire season in between June and August. And all the indicators are, we don't always get large wildfires in June, but the indicators are that we will get some early activity in June. So that's how you break down parts of a fire season that equals an entire 12 months fire season here in Colorado.